Hello guys, our welcome channel Gadget Pro. This might just be the most hyper camera of the year, and for a good reason. The Fujifilm X100VI is here, and trust me, it's got photographers losing their minds. But it is really worth them. Let's break it down. So let's go. First up, just look at it. The X100VI keeps that classic retro design inspired by old school film cameras. But it's not just about looks. It's compact, lightweight, and built with a premium metal body that feels as good as it looks. Underdoor, it packs a 40 megapixel extra 5 sensor, delivering sharp vibrant image with that signature Fuji Ops color science. Whether you're shooting in daily light or low light, the quality is unreal. Plus, it now has in-body image stabilization IBSI, making handle shoot way smoother. Autofocus lighting faster thanks to shape detection of and subject tracking. This camera locks onto faces, eyes, and even moving object with ease. Perfect for threat photography and does quick, spontaneous shoots. And as it does video to the X100VI can shoot 4K at 60 fps. With a flung to support for pro-level color grading. Not your typical vlogger camera, but for cinematic shoots, absolutely. One of the coolest feature, the hybrid we find a switch between optical and electronics mode for that old school shooting experience. And if you love that vintage film look, film simulation are next level. From classic chrome to provide its having Instagram filters. But why better? Battery life is solid and USB-C charging ports means you can power up on the go. Plus built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you transfer photos instantly to your phone, no cables, no hassle. So is the Fujifilm X100VI is worth it? If you love photography, want to pro quality images in compact body and appreciate that retro film camera vibe, then yes, it's dream camera. But at around $1,599, it's not cheap. Would you buy? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want to more gadget reviews and our to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.